Hey shop owners, welcome to another edition of Car Count Weekly. Have you ever heard the saying, birds of a feather flock together? Well, of course you've heard that. But what does it mean in the marketing world? What it means is when you're searching to get more new customers into your shop, the best customers to attract mimic the best customers you have right now. Look, if you look at the best customers that you have and really look at them closely, you're going to find that they're going to have a lot of things in common. Maybe it's the age range they're in. Maybe you do really well with millennials, or maybe you're doing Gen X or baby boomers, and that's where you find most of your best customers are, in that age range. Maybe it's females. Maybe it's young females with young families. Maybe it's the kind of car they drive or the level of affluence, the kind of income range they have. Every business is going to be unique, so this is why you want to look at your best customers that you have in your shop right now and find out what makes them tick. And once you figure that out, now you'll have a really good handle on who you want to attract to your shop. So where are you going to find these people and how are you going to attract them to your shop? Well, quite simply, figure out where they hang out, okay? And what I mean by hang out is what kind of media do they pay attention to? So if the age range or the demographic of people that you do best with are hanging out on Facebook, guess where you should be on Facebook? If they're hanging out on Instagram, you should be on Instagram. If they are the older generation and they pay attention to direct mail, well, you should be direct mailing them. What I'm getting at is once you figure out who your best customers are right now, you want to attract people just like them. And in order to attract them, you need to find out where they hang out and put your message in front of them. And as always, you want to give them a killer offer to come in and try your services for the very first time. You can't make any money off a car that's driving by your shop. You got to do whatever it takes to get them into the shop for the very first time. I hope this helps. If so, I'll see you on the next Car Count Weekly. Take care, everybody. Make it a great day.